escape the aftertaste, the ruins of the life we made. So much of you still remains. This ground is stained on every corner where you left your trace. I try so hard to fill the space, but nothing else can take your place. 83 days and I'm still not over you. 83 days and I still can't cut you loose. 83 days and I don't know why I'm still counting. Are you thinking of the high before?